Blackheads are a common skin concern that many of us deal with. These pesky little bumps form when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells. They can be stubborn to get rid of, but fear not, as there are natural methods that can help effectively remove them. Using natural remedies for blackhead removal not only helps in achieving clearer skin but also avoids the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. From simple ingredients like honey and baking soda to gentle exfoliation techniques, these natural methods are not only effective but also easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. Blackheads are a common type of acne that form when pores become clogged with a combination of dead skin cells and excess oil. The dark appearance of blackheads is due to the oxidation of the trapped debris, giving them their distinctive color. Unlike whiteheads, which are closed comedones, blackheads are open comedones that are visible on the surface of the skin. It's crucial to maintain a gentle and consistent skincare routine to prevent the formation of blackheads and keep your skin looking clear and healthy. Regular exfoliation and proper cleansing can help minimize the occurrence of blackheads. When it comes to removing blackheads naturally, there are several household items that can work wonders for your skin. Ingredients like honey, known for its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil with its anti-inflammatory benefits, and baking soda for gentle exfoliation are popular choices for treating blackheads effectively. These natural remedies offer a gentle and safe alternative to harsh chemical products, ensuring that your skin remains healthy and nourished. It's important to consider your skin type and preferences when choosing a remedy, as what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different natural ingredients to find what suits your skin best. Ready to tackle those stubborn blackheads naturally? Let's dive into some simple yet effective DIY techniques for blackhead removal. Start by creating homemade masks using ingredients like clay, activated charcoal, or yogurt to draw out impurities from your pores. Gentle scrubs made with sugar, oatmeal, or coffee grounds can help exfoliate and unclog pores. Alternatively, try steaming your face to open up pores before gently extracting blackheads with a comedone extractor tool. Remember to perform a patch test before trying any new remedy to avoid skin irritation, and always follow up with a soothing moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and happy. Preventing blackheads from making a comeback is all about incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine. Start by maintaining a consistent skincare regimen using gentle cleansers and exfoliators to keep your pores clean and clear. Hydration is key, so make sure to drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants to promote healthy skin from within. Regular exercise not only boosts circulation but also helps in managing stress levels, which can contribute to skin issues. By adopting these lifestyle changes, you can help prevent blackheads and maintain a radiant complexion in the long run. In conclusion, natural remedies and consistent skincare practices play a vital role in effectively removing blackheads and maintaining healthy skin. By incorporating ingredients like honey, tea tree oil, and baking soda into your routine, you can tackle blackheads gently and efficiently. Remember to choose remedies based on your skin type and preferences to achieve the best results. Explore different methods, from homemade masks to steaming techniques, and find what works best for you. Take action today to prioritize your skin health and say goodbye to stubborn blackheads. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips to keep your skin glowing and radiant.